Hello guys, welcome to Technical Mathvbn channel. In this video, I will show you AI artificial intelligence tool that will help you to build a website in just 5 minutes. If you don't have any experience, then there is no need of any experience. There is no need of money. But this is a perfect website builder tools. The name is landingsite.ai. This is a tool, A1 AI tool, free AI tool that will help you to build a website in just 5 minutes. How? Just write it in a Google landingsite.ai and click over here. AI powered website builder for stunning. How? Just click over here and you will be on this page. Clear? Landingsite.ai. It is a free AI tools that will help you to create your website in just 5 minutes. There is no need of any kind of experience. Just follow the step and build your website for your business or anything else. Here, landingsite.ai. These are written how it works. You can read it. Easily create eye-catching website using AI. You can read it, and here there are different templates. So build a free website. This is a icon you have to click over here. Website built using landsite.ai. These are the different design, how it looks on mobile, laptop. These are different templates they are showing for you, and you can see how it looks like. How it works. Creating a website with landsite.ai is a breeze. Build an eye-catching website in 5 minutes with beautiful templates featuring AI-generated copy and images. Here are different steps. Enter business information. Clear, you can read it. Choose a template and publish and launch. So these are 3 steps that will help you to build a website. And here is going to create your website. I have tried a number of website builder over the years, and this is the first one that has gotten the job done. So you can easily use this tool, AI tool, and you can create your website. Create your website. When you click over here, write just business name, description, and go ahead. So follow the step, and you will be at the end of you will create your website by using landingsite.ai. So guys, this is the tool that will help you to build your own website within 5 minutes. I hope so you like the video and like the tool. Thank you for watching this video, and if you want to know more about these kind of tools, just click on subscribe and subscribe Technical Mathvbn channel. Thank you for watching this video.